Okay, hello, welcome to the weather update. We're going to just look at the high temperatures today. It's a little after 8 p.m. on December 23rd, 2019. A very balmy, warm day across the area. Very, not record breaking, but a good 15 degrees above where we were supposed to be for the high. And we'll go over the highs right now. So in Farmingdale, closest site to here, I guess, hit 57 degrees. Islip hit 55. West Hampton a little cooler, 52, but with that west wind, there really wasn't much of a sea breeze, and I'll show you what I mean. There wasn't much of a sea breeze here, so if I draw this out, the wind was like this today, so kept the sea breeze away for the most part. Except right along the ocean. Yeah, talking sea breezes in December. How messed up is that? Central Park also at 57, 57 at LaGuardia. Just a little cooler at Kennedy, 53. Bridgeport, the coolest at 50. The warmest, 59, Morristown Municipal. There was a reading of 66 at Westchester. I think that's erroneous, so I'm not going to put that in there. 55, it hit 55 at Monmouth Airport, and in Toms River by Ocean County Airport, 57. So everybody was pretty much in the mid 50s today. Very mild, very warm day across the area. Looking at the current temperature, still kind of mild out there. Still dealing with, depending on where you are, low mid 40s. Still in the city, maybe holding on to 50 there. And it's cooling off, though, in some of the more undeveloped areas, like in the Pine Barrens, New Jersey, where it's dropped into the mid-30s. And it's actually colder there. It's cooler in the Pine Barrens in New Jersey than it is in our Pine Barrens. West Hampton is reporting 43. Isn't that interesting? So that's what's going on with the temperatures. It's just another warm day, and chunky too. We had some cirrus from time to time. Most of the shield is off to the south. Again, you got this storm off here to the south that's causing all this the cirrus to be thrown in our direction. It's being suppressed to the south, but there's still some cirrus in the flow that's coming out from the west. So that's why it's not completely clear out there. Sky's a little milky looking, from all the cirrus, and then you have all the aircraft contrails, and there's a lot of air traffic, obviously with the holiday. So that's probably doesn't help matters. Let's look at the CONUS view so we can show you that storm here in the south again. This is it. This huge storm here that's over Florida here. Not a tropical system, just a extratropical system, but it's in the southern branch of the jet stream, which makes it kind of unusual. That's a southern branch system, and it's staying off to the south, being suppressed to the south. But you can see that cirrus that we're getting is actually coming all the way up from this right here, this jet stream right here. That's this like plume of like tropical moisture that's coming up here, and it's bringing probably a lot of rains to this area, and then up and over, and that's where we're getting some of that cirrus. I don't think we're going to have any clear skies, but let's go look at the models anyway and see. And I'll go look at the skies, and I'm only going to be looking in this weather update just very briefly at the following week through next weekend. So you can see here, this is the GFS. Plenty of clouds around. It's still going to be some cirrus in the skies. I don't think it's going to be clear tomorrow. There'll be a good amount of sunshine, but it'll be filtered from time to time because of the cirrus for Christmas Eve. And then for Christmas Day, we're probably going to have a lot more of that cirrus rolling in and filtering the sun. Probably just a very high overcast throughout much of the day. And then we're stuck in the clouds Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We got that rain, and I'm not going to go beyond that. So unfortunately, after tomorrow, you're not going to see the sun for a while. That's what sucks, unfortunately. Let's go look at the temperatures here and show you what the temperatures will be doing. So here on the GFS, you'll see temperatures will drop closer to average. Temperatures in the low and mid 40s tomorrow. Still a little above average, but closer to average than today. For Wednesday, Christmas Day, Christmas Eve should feel at least kind of nippy with temperatures dropping to around 30 degrees. And then for Wednesday, Christmas Day, we'll have highs right around average, right around 40 degrees. And then Thursday, still right around average, right around 40 degrees with that cloud cover. And then we're going to start to see temperatures increase as we head toward the weekend with that rain. Doesn't look too warm for Saturday, but then Sunday, that's when the soaker comes with that warm rain that we'll be dealing with. And there'll also be a little humidity with that too. We'll just look ahead with that and show you that. So you'll see we'll have some humidity with that too when that comes. Here it comes. Yep, there it is. So dew points will probably rise into the 50s. It'll be a little muggy. So, yep, of course. So it's going to kind of suck for us, unfortunately. Let's go and look at the other model, which is the NAM. And we'll go and we'll look at the cloud cover on that and see if it'll bring us any different result. The last time I looked at it, it did bring us a more encouraging result. However, it underdid on the high cloudiness today. We had a little more than expected. So here's tomorrow. You can see clouds all around us. It might be clear over Long Island. It might be, but I think it's underdoing it a little bit. I don't think it'll be a clear day. I really don't think so. There'll be some clouds around, but it'll be the best day of the week because after tomorrow, we're going to deal with a lot more clouds rolling in on Wednesday, and then we're stuck in it for a while. And I'll just go ahead and we'll look at that rain system on the GFS for the weekend for Sunday. That's our next chance of rain. It will be dry. You can see it's dry. There may be a slight chance of light precipitation Friday, but we have plenty of clouds, and then we have that rain, that soaker that's going to move in later Sunday into the first part of Monday. So that's going to be the soaker right there for that. All right. So just want to look at one other area. Let's look at the southwest. Just for curiosity, let's see if Flagstaff is going to have any clear weather. Here's that storm that's over the west coast right now. So that storm's coming in over the west coast. Looks like it's gonna. Well, let's see. We gotta back it up a little bit. All right. So this is tomorrow. Storm hasn't come into the west coast yet. Looks like a lot of clouds in Flagstaff too. Actually, not gonna be clear there either. But it will clear out there by the weekend. It looks like. So we'll have a cloudy period, but it will clear out. Other than that, as far as the temperatures go, we can look at the official National Weather Service forecast, which I'll just show you, and then I'm going to wrap up this weather update. Show the official Weather Service forecast for our area as well as other areas, and then wrap this up if this would load. Weather Service site is being slow again. I'm just going to pull this out, show you the country here, and put the radar on here so you can see that. Where the storminess is in the country here. So the whole east is dry. We have some clouds around. Like tomorrow will be the least cloudy of the days. Some rain, not as bad. Obviously, the wet part of the storm is now out over the water. As far as that soaker for Florida, but I think we have, some rain and snow falling over Flagstaff probably. So they're probably going to have a white Christmas in Flagstaff. May not be sunny, but they're going to have a white Christmas. So we'll look at our forecast first, and then I'll put in a Flagstaff. So 45. So it's going to be up to 42 tomorrow, sunny. Christmas Day 43. They're still saying sunny, but it's going to be high clouds, and then we're stuck in the clouds. Thursday, Friday, we got the chance of rain. They're still saying Saturday will be mostly sunny. I don't know about that. And Sunday with that chance of rain, with that soaker that we'll be watching. That may set some new records. Now I'll just put in Flagstaff, and then we're going to wrap up this weather update here, just to show you that they'll probably be having a white. Yeah, they're going to have a white Christmas. They're going to have a lot of snow. Oh man, they're going to get a white Christmas. Snow all day tomorrow. Accumulation of 1 to 3 inches, and then another accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Yep, it'll be cloudy, but at least they'll have some snow on the ground. It'll make it feel like Christmas. I can't remember the last time we had a white Christmas here. It seems like climate change is making them much rarer. But if you're in Flagstaff, hey, enjoy it. But anyway, that wraps up this weather update. Flagstaff's a good festive place to be, I guess, this time of the year. But so are our Pine Barrens. But unfortunately, we're not going to have snow on the ground. But at least the sun will be out tomorrow. So enjoy that. That wraps up this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching. And have a Merry Christmas.